My colleague Rika Roy is now joining us live. So, Rika, interesting there that the World Wrestling Body Chief says that they're open to adjustment in rules. So, of course, the top sports body also seriously considering Vinesh Phogat's appeal.
Well, if you heard Mr. Nenad's right, he clearly said that there can be adjustment of rules, but it cannot be made during the competition. The Olympic Games are going on now, so it cannot be rules cannot be different for one wrestler and another for another wrestler. So whatever rules have been there for Vinesh Phogat will be for other wrestlers as well. The wrestling competitions are all over, so most of the Paris Olympic Games are done. So rules as such that were during Paris Olympic Games will not change because the games have been played under a certain set of rules. If changes are to come, that will come after the games and that will be effective for the next Olympic cycle. It happens with every sport that certain rules are amended. The officials of the sport, and this happens with every sport, not just wrestling. They look into the sporting rules year on year and make changes. We've seen how India, benefited by the change in rules of shooting. Now there is an appeal to change the weighing rules in weightlifting. So we'll really have to wait and see whether the rules change. But for now, I don't think rules will make much of a difference when it comes to the case of Vinesh Phogat.
Okay.
It'll really be the humanitarian appeal that has been made for her that we'll have to wait and see if that can get her the silver medal.